them.
They keep on telling us we the next generation, we gotta do good, but we watch y'all and y'all not doing nothing with yourselves. So if you want us to be good, y'all need to set an example for us.
On Detroit.
Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the almighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things. That's good. We want to say welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? Hey, I have a Puchila yard me there, yes, sir. So, we just go and chill for the weekend and have a sit back and a reasoning. Nothing funny or nothing like that. No. Puchila boyfriend, dog, take this thing here. You don't know, I joke about it. Because I consider the ramification, I know with a Rasta. I joke about it, then again, you must know how Puchila play set up and think I know something. Why not a friend? Big up yourself, Coach Eli, enough respect. See? That's how we do it on the corner, yeah. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help with the platform. You know, see, because mad love and respect. See? Now, in that video, I'm going to show a video how we young millennials, some of them are check. Some of the very influential and intelligent one them as well, very convincing, which is very troubling. You know, see, because again, the evidence is there. History is written. See, it cannot be removed. And when we have young ones, you know, of our caste, where observe history or deny history in the way they do, as if it not exists, you have to wonder if we have any way of go in repairing the damages that history has done to us as a people. You know, see, because from that video you Rasta, again, to be fair, you know, we give thanks to majority of the youth them in the video, seeing, observe a certain wavelength, and them transmit on a certain wavelength. You understand what I say? But one particular young lady, a very beautiful princess, you know, see, where me can't believe she, wickedest thing, she had the darkest skin complexion out of the whole group, and for your observation regarding the concerns of everybody else is like very diminishing as far as I'm concerned. You know, see, she's living in a state of denial. See, and I'm going to explain the whole thing, but before we go on further, I'm making you watch the video. See, because it's a little long video, but you want to more sit back and watch it, just observe and listen what the youth them say, and you can get a grasp fullness, the nature, racism and things like that, in a bring how it's handled, how it's dealt, how it's accepted, and the people who claim to them accept it, how them choose to deal with it. See, watch the video and I could get back in it. See, respect.
It is one thing to commit the ultimate act of a murder, but when you start to see a devolution into what can only be described as the ultimate barbarity, savagery, a competition for cruelty, the worst of the worst, where you only see these kinds of actions happening in war zones, where someone can be beheaded and their heads used to as a football, sent back to the families. So yes, we are seeing an increase in murders, but we are also seeing a new trend of savagery and barbarity in violence, which can only be concluded, designed to undermine confidence in the state, to increase the fear and panic and to disrupt the society. And you can find many such instances. So for us, we have to respond to this emergency. You know, upon reflection, there is a sense that 1,000 murders is normal. In fact, that has been a view expressed by even some people in Parliament. That when our Bill of Rights was being crafted, it was crafted with the understanding that there were 1,000 murders. So that would be what is considered to be normal in a democratic society. It is not normal to have 1,000 murders in a society like ours, not even in a war zone.
Yeah, you know, with the political, you know, see, a good governance to deal with, and from an issue address, it's truth, yeah, we give thanks. Seeing we wish I see them so, details and demand for consequence and things like that would address corruption and nation building and them sort of thing that, see, because the main aspect that Jamaica stagnation to the corruption, particularly from the higher ups one them, see, like Bro God them himself. See, however, Bro God no miss a trick when him mention say it look like this, he might try make the thing out to be like it's politics, it have something to do with political, crime and violence is motivated politically somewhat. See, like him want actually credited to some political sabotage by him type of government or party and things like that. Don't do that, bro, God. See, we are all in this together and all hands on deck, just like with the it's worse than the pandemic. See, and you have to just deal with it accordingly, see it, and seek solutions, resources and help right across the board. See, this, you can't politicize this and make it look like it's a party affair. See, because it's a go on before you come in. And if you don't seriously want that, I assure you, if you don't seriously want to address the issue, we don't have to stop looking at it like that and start address it as a national issue and stop going like you better than a man and you better than another man in terms of fighting crime and you have to deliver when it's next to impossible if this is not a national consensus or it's not gonna happen. Not gonna address. See, and them like a failure we can't take, why people can't take on a serious. The argument, the conversation is right, see, and necessary, it's relevant at this time, before now even. See, but the tone and the emotion, we can also say you sound like you experience it personally, like you lost your car. Because, you mentioned them last night and think that, again, you don't know. But, see it, we know the point where the subject we're upon is the subject of the wanton loss of life, taking a life in a Jamaica and thing like that. See it, and the regard you do the man, them do it, the callousness, the scant regard for any moral there's no moral in a murder and killing people, like, me I say, but again, the way the man them do it is like, so well, then, it's more barbaric. I really agree. We have said long time. I see, it's like the man them approve. Jamaica soon be known as the nation will kill the wickedest, like the movie, the heartless killers and things like that. Them things that are really exist and acceptable in a way in the world. Nobody don't want proof to be that. See, this coming like a level of schizophrenic sickness, one of them psychological issues that we're not sure outwardly. See, one of them where people will have it to and you can relate and deal with them and them, and nobody know. Particularly in a Jamaica distracted world today and inexperience with them sort of diagnosis there. You see it particularly on the street amongst the common man. You see it? So these things are serious cause of concern. And with that one day, I wouldn't in this case, we just ready for intervention from people like, you see the intervention where we named the couple of years ago. I mean, Mark Shields, where them outside England intervene and you know, I mean, now at the time when we never see Mark Shields necessarily for fight Dodos and Zeeks, but them had them plan and them do it and it worked for them the way them want it for work. You know, see, a whole heap of psychology at work. So, but in this instance, you know, this is when you need outside forces for orchestrate and supervise, if not some level of policing, seeing and also assist physically too. You know, see. Obviously, for instance, if the Americans send in one of them snap team there, we can just run in an area and expertly cordon it off and things like that. You know, under the supervision of Jamaica high ranking police, them no doubt, seen, but still our lower ranking police them are such like would operate under the directions of the expertly trained anti-terror groups from America and things like that. You know, the man that will come from Afghanistan and things like that, nothing to do. You know them way there? You ask them and you come call and have some community and search it out properly with infrared and however, and you get out what you need to get out and do what you need to do. These are efforts that are being employed right across the world where you're in a war-torn zone with them level of destruction they are going to humanity. You know, see it. I can accept that. You know, see it. To be fair, because like I say, all hands on deck. America particularly have a great role to play in the you know what I say, the fixing of this thing here. Because at the end of the day, if you look at it, say, you know, America, they charge we daily for ganja back in the day when they must say ganja export from plane and things like that. It destroy the national airline. It help to damage the economy badly too. You know, see it. You know, see it. Yet still right through all of that, Jamaica no make gun and firearm. Ganja no do half the damage where gun and firearm do. See? Yet still, and nor does Jamaica own any shipping vessel. See? And all of them gun and them thing them made in America and a ship come to Jamaica upon American vessels, regardless the source, regardless who do it, however. America never business if an American did a ship ganja from Jamaica upon Jamaican airline go America. Them never business who. See, in fact, it's a come through upon the airline and the airport. The ports are responsible for ensuring say these things don't happen. You know, see it. You know, see it. So them find Jamaica and charge with daily fee. See, now we observe say we not use the same views or the same morals upon America when it comes on to our own sense of security. No time, no way, shape or form. You know, see it, because again, we have access to international platform where we can highlight the concerns and other people observe, you know, the morality and demand, also help demand a balance through the same collective security where His Majesty designed in the EU, you know, the what they call the League of Nations. You know, see it. Now at the UN, United Nations, we did, it's possible we do it already for South Africa. See, Jamaica was the one who used its platform and the UN and highlight these issues. The whole world did already knew. Everybody in the thing did know already what going on with South Africa, but they never choose for say anything, probably given the facts so well then the boss is at play. You know, see, but Jamaica did. So we don't understand how we so silent now in our own regarding this pivotal subject. You know, see, this pivotal issue where we know say America is more than equipped and resourceful to combat for our weapons of what we, you know, our little thing would have to see as weapons of mass destructions. You know, see, and so we have to see, we can't wait till them come with certain things, because it look like, you know, see, yes, Rasta, I mean, it's security. It's in the interest of them themselves as well. You know, sell the gun them already. You know, already make a profit off of them, come back for them now and take them, double profit. We don't care, we don't mind. You see, we never willfully order them here. Them are not something where we did. You know, see, yeah, it makes sense. And there's so many scientific ways where how America can help out with finding them and get them back and things like that. Or even lessen the prospect of, you know, see, but again, the reason why it's not them for them interest because profit upon it same way, you know, see, because every bullet will fire from a weapon, no matter how America make a profit, you know, see, particularly in Jamaica. You know, see, so it's a market same way, the arms race, the arms deal are going. You know, see, so we have to come up with a solution. You know, see, bro, God, we can't just repeat what everybody know. That you did the fact as leader, you know, see, for design a solution for this thing, or we can challenge it and fight it. One of the way, me hear a big man say, them spray a chemical in a car engine and it sees him car engine from work. These chemical liquid form in a lot of cases can go to a powder form. You know, see. And I see him, you can, this is just from my little brain, I say you can convert a same liquid there in a chemical, in a powder and mix them with gunpowder and give us some free bullet and seize up some gun. Not nobody now know say I wanna give them the bullet. Obviously you don't do nothing covertly, you not give them what I wanna sell them. You see, just like how the American them do them wind up and mix. Just like Buju Banton America get coke and carry go give Buju Banton. How is that? Then the dealer, the coke illegal, yeah? And while as a federal, you can confiscate it and carry it, put it in a evidence and thing like that. You know, see, but the moment you take it out, back for do your own bidding, whatsoever, see, it becomes illegal once again. So all the guy them who take out the coke out of the place and have it in them possession, carry go Buju Banton for test it and carry go. Or them get charged illegal possession of a controlled substance or anything like that. I mean, I can't understand. You know, see, it's not theirs to play with in any case. Once it's like taking out a gun out of the evidence and can't go get a murderer for shoot it. And just because you want to see him commit a murder, you get away with giving possession of a illegal firearm to the murderer. You know, see, there's so much layers to morality and who it applies to and when it applies, when it's about to apply. You know, see, so them same little thing that we are looking again. Our people them can use them same initiative at liberty because a life and death case this. You know, see, when I say coke and them think they're a life and death, but the likelihood for be as critical as what go on with weaponry in Jamaica. You know, see, legal firearms and them thing there, it's far more necessary and it should be more okay to use things like these. So well then if you are going to say morality is a concern, I mean, how and when? You know, see, you know, in what regard? This is because our life value less and things like that. We have to consider these things and factor in them things. You know, see it. So while it's all good and well that everybody can observe the situation as it is, you know, it still can be like a in your face type of brag, you know, Rasta. We know what go on, we know what I'm doing, but we know what we are going to do. We know that. And that we want to hear what we need to, you know, apply. See, because we have, you know, a couple of years ago, you know, we have tons of, we call it, we call it, you know, man, state of emergency. See, and after all of them state of emergency and so there, more gun in the island now than before and during them time there. And there's no question, more murder, more of them type of atrocity there happen after all of the souls and all of them things that never before. There's no denying that, Rasta. You know, see, so we have to observe the tactics them and how them a benefit and what them a do. And we can't continue doing the same thing over and over and expect a different result. Madness that. You know, see, so while the artist with your bro God and we still say what you do and what you say is really relevant, you know, we need action. We need an action plan. You know, see it. We need some plan where we can either disagree with or agree with. You know, see it. We not have nothing like that. We need some serious address to these issues. See, and make and at them we will work together and offer our support the best way we can. We feel you upon that one, yeah. We give thanks. I mean, the business nobody wants. You know, see, share, like, and subscribe. Now Rastafari right now.